Hi everyone! This video I will show you how to cook eggs fried rice. Before we are going to cook, please don't forget to subscribe. The ingredients are cooking oil, eggs, peas and carrots, green onions, salt, black peppers, and soy sauce. And last thing we cannot lack of, steamed rice. Put the pan on high heat. Then we will put cooking oil into the pan. After that, we will wait for oil to get hot. Today, I use refined coconut oil. Refined coconut oil doesn't smell like coconut, so I love to cook with this kind. Coconut oil contains polyunsaturated fat and monounsaturated fat that promotes HDL or good cholesterol in your body. Right now, we will wait for oil to be hot. Oh wow! I can see my face reflection in the pan. That's really cool. Now, crack the eggs into the pan like we are making sunny side up. And please be careful, the oil is very hot. Today, I will cook with 3 eggs. If you like more eggs, you can add more eggs. If you like less egg, you can have less egg. We will wait for egg white to be cooked a little bit. Then we will break the yolk to mix with the white. So this way we will have yellow and white colors. And it looks so pretty. We will stir it before we put other things. Now it is time to add more color in. We will add peas and carrot. I bought them at Food Lion in frozen area. It is okay to put the frozen peas and carrot in. We just need to stir fry just a little bit longer. Right now, get ready for steamed rice. Always use the rice from the day before because the rice is hard and dry. It makes the texture of the fried rice better and not too wet. I will use 2 of the spatulas to cook because it's really easy to smash the rice and mix them up. Now keep smashing the rice until they are not stick together. After we smash it for a minute, now the rice looks better. Look like fried rice, not a rice bombs. So right now there are only tiny bit left that stick together. I will make it look nicer and even when you mix with sauce. Now, take salt and black pepper out. Sprinkle them over the rice. Mix them up. Then I will put soy sauce over the rice. This will make the rice look darker. Mix them up again. At the end, I love to add green onions in. It will make fried rice smell even better. Mix them up again, and it is ready to be served on your dining table. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you on the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you open the video on another application that is not YouTube, you will see 3 dots on the right corner. You can click on that and you will see the link to open in YouTube. Then you can click subscribe. Thank you.